Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send your location in the Waze application. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and now you can see that I have an address here, the parliament, and if I would like to send this address to somebody, I have to press it, and now you can see this pop-up menu, and the second option is send location. Click on it, and now you can see that you can send via messages, WhatsApp, email, or you can copy the link and send that link to that person. Or if you click on the more options, you can see that there are other options like Messenger, Pinterest, Slack, and so on. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.